Hello everybody, it's Dennis here at the Empire Chrome Shop. We're still open in West Memphis and San Antonio, so we survived the great toilet paper famine of 2020. We have our two locations are open anytime you want to swing by, and from what I understand, some people are still having trouble getting toilet paper, so if you need a courtesy wipe, come on by. We have no problem with that at all. As a matter of fact, it seems like I've moved into bandit land. Everybody's got their face covered up with either one of these or a bandana. Heck, I was watching TV the other day and Nancy Pelosi had one on and she still looked surprised. What the heck is she so surprised about? It's like she's seen Hillary Clinton naked. Sorry, I kind of threw up in the back of my mouth. I mean, come on, really, she kind of looks like Man Bear Pig. It's so bad that Bill Clinton said, I did not have sexual relations with Man Bear Pig. Bill, we know you did because there's a baby one running around. Anyway, if you need anything for your truck or you just want to stop by and talk or whatever, come by and see us. Until next time, don't drive an ugly truck.